Know your hubcaps ain't worth gold price, ain't what they seem. But save the hobby, keep it alive like a dream. Cruising down the street, old truck all polished up, doing it for the love, not for that trophy cup. Parts and pieces, put them back where they belong. In this life of gears, man, we keep rolling strong. Hubcap shine, but ain't worth a dime. Hold on to what you got, it's yeah worth that time. Pass it on to the youth, share the gear, share the fun. Nothing like that passion, man, it's second to none. Tinkering in the garage, got my toolkit laying wide. From engines to upholstery, got nothing to hide. Each little rusted piece tells a tale of its own. It's not just about bling, it's the love that we've grown. When the sun starts setting, friends gather round, talking about our projects, yeah, that's where we're found. Every dent, every scratch, that's a badge of pride. Like the stories handed down, man, that's how we ride. Hubcap shine, but ain't worth a dime. Hold on to what you got, it's yeah worth that time. Pass it on to the youth, share the gear, share the fun. Nothing like that passion, man, it's second to none. If you see a kid with a wrench in hand, show 'em how it works, make 'em understand that it ain't just metal, it's a legacy to pass. The beauty of the craft, let 'em take it and blast. So know your hubcaps ain't worth gold price, let's be real. It's the spirit of the ride that's a true appeal. So let's keep on rolling from now till we're old. In this family of gearheads, man, the stories unfolds.
Don't think about it too long.